Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my another video. In this corona time we cannot go outside, but I thought let's give a healthy change to our kitchen. So I have done some healthy shopping for my kitchen. Something I have replaced some canisters, and I have also ordered some kitchen tools. So I'll be sharing all with you people. I'll put the link of all the products in the description box. If you people want to buy, you may buy from them. It is basically just for the ease with which you can also search the same product. These products are very useful according to me. So now let's quickly check out what I have bought from Amazon. Number one thing which I have bought from Amazon is this kind of glass storage canisters. This is of the capacity 750 ml and the brand is Cello, and the cost of each of them was around 150. The cost was very fine for having a glass canister, better than the Tupperware one. I'll show you one canister. I have ordered 4 for keeping all my dry fruits. Now I'll be showing you one of the canisters. This is the glass canister. The capacity is very good. That will be enough for keeping the daily use dry fruits. And one more thing which I like about these glass canisters is that they are also available in 500 ml quantity, and these are stackable. I'll show you how we can stack on top of each other so that we can use the vertical space also. See, I'll open one more for you. See, this is how we can stack both of them on top of each other so that we can use the vertical space. And the 500 ml would be something around this, so we can store one 750 ml and one 500 ml. These 4 I have bought for keeping all my dry fruit. There are these 2 more, but I will not open the packing. All of them of the same color, of deep maroon color. Now this is a 1 liter capacity. This I have ordered for keeping the salt. Right now I am keeping salt in a Tupperware container which is of plastic, and over the time I have realized that I should not store salt in plastic. So this is what I have ordered. This is of 1 liter capacity, so that will be enough for storing the 1 kg salt itself in the kitchen. See, again of the same color, as I want everything of the same color in my kitchen. And you can also use it for storing various kind of pulses. It's very sleek. That is what I like. It will take less space. It is very much efficient in space. Now next thing which I ordered is this bamboo placement set of Smiley. I'll open the packing and then I'll show you. And this has 4 rubber pads at the end, and we can keep this on the table, and we can use it on the dining table for keeping our hot pots. It's very beautiful, and it is made of 100% natural bamboo. That is what I like the most about it. So it will add elegance to my dining table. Now what I have ordered, there are 2 more canisters which I have ordered. One for keeping the sugar and the other one is for keeping the tea. I'll show both of them. Now these are the 2 canisters which I have ordered for keeping the sugar and tea. These are of plastic, as I couldn't get the ceramic one. They were not getting delivered, and I wanted to change the kitchen and I wanted to do the kitchen makeover badly, so I just ordered them. These are BPA free plastic containers, yet they are very beautiful. In this it is written also, it's written just a spoonful of sugar. Tell me in the comment section, did you like them? And this has a handle also. It's very cute, and there is a see-through lid at the top. We can see also. This is what I liked about it. It's very cute. And the other one is for keeping the tea leaves. and it is written also just for tea leaves. See this one. This one is also very beautiful, and the light, because of the light color, it looks very elegant. And the next thing which I have ordered is this Wonder Chef manual chopper. This is a pull string chopper. I already had one pigeon chopper, but it was broken from many sides, plus the cutting efficiency was also not good. So I have read reviews and I have bought this Wonder Chef pull string chopper. If you want me to give a review of how useful was it, do let me know in the comment section. I'll give a review of this Wonder Chef pull string manual chopper also. Now the next thing which I have ordered is this smart peeler. This is again from Wonder Chef. What it is intended to do, it will peel from this side and the peel will get stored in this, and there is an opening at the top. While you are done peeling the cucumber or peeling your carrots, then you can directly throw away the peel in the dustbin. So this is what it is intended to do for. Again, if you want me to do a review of that, please let me know in the comment section. I'll also give a review of this Wonder Chef Smart Peeler. The next thing what I have ordered for my kitchen is this dry fruit slicer. I already had one dry fruit slicer which was working amazingly well, but I lost this part of it, so it was not functional now. So I have ordered this kind of dry fruit slicer. I hope it will do the same job. It becomes very convenient to slice the dry fruits, plus it has this lid also which will collect all my sliced dry fruits. We can also slice cucumber or onion from it, as it has a lot of thickness, plus we can adjust the thickness from this. So I hope it will also turn good. And the next thing which I have ordered is this anti-slip mat. It's a very basic thing, but it is very essential in kitchen, and it has a wonderful design: red, black, grey, brown. That is the reason I ordered it. I basically used to line my kitchen drawers from it, and this can be also used in your dressing table drawers or any kind of drawers. These are basically anti-slip mats which will keep things at their own place. And the next thing which I have ordered is this L-shaped steel kitchen corner. It is very good organizer for organizing a corner in your kitchen. On the countertop I am using it. See, this is the L-shaped corner which I have, which is basically unutilized. So I have thought of utilizing the space of this corner with the help of this organizer, and I will be keeping some daily essentials on it which are very necessary. Firstly, I will keep the basic kitchen tools which are required in the kitchen, then my knife stand, then I will keep my new sugar and tea canisters. That is the reason I replaced them. I wanted my countertop to look very beautiful, and I will be also placing my steel ghee to also organize my green tea, algae and some more tea sachets in it. I basically use it as a tea station as well as a basic kitchen organizer. I found it very useful for organizing various kind of green teas and everything. I hope you will also find it useful for organizing a corner in your kitchen. It's very effective inside the cupboard also. If you have a cupboard in which you want to use the vertical space, there you can also use it. You can tell me in the comment section which organizer or which product you like the most. I would love to hear that. Now see how many things I have organized in such a beautiful space, and it looks so organized. It is very easy to clean also. You just need to grab this organizer and then you can clean the entire space also. And the next product which I am sharing with you is this tap extender. This tap extender is also very useful. I have used it in my kitchen sink. What is the main purpose is that you are not going to get wet while you wash your vegetables or you do anything in the kitchen. So that is the reason I have bought it. It has 3 modes. The first mode you watched, the second mode, and this is the third mode. And the biggest advantage is that it is very easy to clean the entire sink area with the help of this. So with this was all what I bought for my kitchen this time from Amazon. If you want me to do more such videos, do let me know in the comment section, as I am a shopaholic and I love online shopping, basically for home, kitchen, my dresses. If you like the video, do hit the like button and share the video with your family and friends. And please subscribe to my channel for getting more such videos which is going to make your life healthy, happy and feel good. And if you're watching me on Facebook, then do follow my Facebook page. Bye bye. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and blessed.